The Vice Chancellor, Sokoto State University, Sokoto, Professor S.M. Ngogo, on behalf of the management, Senate, and the entire student of the university, cordially invite the general public to the third University Public Lecture Series with the theme, Harnessing Local Renewable Energy Sources, a Panacea for Tackling Global Energy Crisis in the 21st Century. Guest speaker, Professor Abubakar Sani Sambo, OON, NPON, former Director General, Energy Commission of Nigeria, and the former Vice Chancellor, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, Bauchi. Chairman of the occasion, Honorable Aliyu Balarabe Dimmahe, Honorable Commissioner, Ministry for Energy and Petroleum Resources, Sokoto State. Chief Host, Professor S.M. Ngogo, Vice Chancellor, Sokoto State University, Sokoto. Date, Tuesday, 18th of January 2022. Time, 11 a.m. prompt. Venue, 350-seater multipurpose hall, Sokoto State University, Sokoto. Announcer, University Seminar and Public Lecture Committee.